you simply write the for keyword bracket, then you need to put word string, because our hash map is, where is our hash map, this is string type of, okay, and it stores the both the key and value as a string. Okay, you need to say string, then after you need to keep one variable, this is I indicates a variable, after that colon. So we need to look into which hash map, what is the name of that hash map, Vasu. Okay, Vasu dot values, Vasu dot values. See whether there is any value method is here, key set method is here, values, this is the last, you click on this one, values, Vasu dot values, because it is a method, you need to keep one bracket here. So now after that, okay, now put a brace here, brace, within this brace we need to get the printout of this I. Now system dot println, okay, bracket I. Okay, okay, now what happened, try to understand what happened here. I have used the for each loop. The syntax is, for you need to say which type of your list, means a hash map is one type of list, na? So it is which type of hash map, it is a, otherwise it is it holds string type of hash map, integer type of hash map, so like that, whatever. So this is what string type of hash map, and every time loop goes to values. Okay, so whenever at the first iteration, iteration means first journey, first travel, it goes to look for first element, okay, and that element will be key pair will be stored in this variable I, okay, and that will be printed, and for next it goes to forward next key value, and it takes and stores in this value variable I is a variable here. After that, okay, Vasu is an object, object has a method, it is an object for hash map, and one more method, we are using the hash map method, this is the method of hash map values. By that values will be taken, values will be read. So if you compile this one, what happened, so London, New Delhi, London, New Delhi, because see, try to understand, only I have put the word values, only I want to get the values only. So these are the values, London, New Delhi, Paris, okay, two values I am getting. If you remove, where is that remove Vasu size, this, if you put this in comment section, you will get three values. So three values, because I have put this remove method in comment section. So now if I want to get the key values, so what is that, I need to change the here, you want to get what, Vasu dot, if you put dot entry set key set, you click on this key set, okay, then you will get what, England, France, India, these are what, England, India, France, these are what, these are the key values. If you change this as values, you use the values method, simply you put dot operator, you get values. If you put V, and you will get the values, this method, use this method, values you will get, these are the values, not the keys, okay. Now come down here, these are all what you are getting the values, okay. Now what, okay, now after that, if I want to say something which is related with the okay, now it is what, so now it is what, it is which type of string to string, na? Suppose if I want to make it as a string and integer, string and integer. So how to do that? So create, if I want to make it as a string integer, so you need to change this as a integer. Okay, for the wrapper class, for the integer, try to understand it is integer, you change this as integer. Okay, now what happened? So hash map holds string as a key and integer as a value. Okay, now this is what, now it is giving error in this put method. Key is okay, string, but integer you need to change this as a integer. You need to keep somewhat id number, like what you know, England has somewhat England. Otherwise take a student type, what student Rahul. Rahul is a key and he has id number, this one. And after this you change this as Suman, it is a string, but Suman has some id number, integer value, take somewhat number, whatever, this is the id number. And this here Suman, you take it as a Vasu is a key, and Vasu has id number in the school college, that is somewhat value. Okay, now if you need to what, you are getting error, because here you have put Vasu as a key, and you want to call this as a, because your object, you have created the hash map. Where is your hash map? Vasu. Okay, so here your object name is Vasu, so change this one, it is Vasu. Okay, Basi, no issue. Now your, why it is giving error? Vasu dot values cannot convert from element type integer to string. Type mismatch, cannot convert from element type integer to string. So you put set type here, Vasu dot set, Vasu dot key set na, key set. So then you will get the answers as keys. Okay, Rahul, Suman, these are the key values. Okay, but if you want to get these all values as integer values, whether we can do that, so let us change, let us try to do Vasu dot, so it will give all the, one is size method we have used, where is this is size method. Okay, and for that this is dot means, says this is put method I have used. Okay, key set clone values, if I put, it is giving error. Why? Because type mismatch, cannot convert from element type integer to string, so integer to, so we have passed the integer values. Now here if I want to get them as values, so values means integer values. First of all, I think it is to be converted to from element type integer to string, it is to be, so that's why it is not matching. You remove this one. Okay, you put key set, set key. Okay, you are getting values, what this is. Okay, now then after, so this is what somewhat hash map which is related with, I have created. Okay, integer, string and integer type. Okay, so nothing to worry about that. If I want to get, this will be given a list of that. If you run this one, you will get, okay, how many pairs? 3 pairs with the string and its integer value. Okay, now it is enough.